Drying clothes seems simple, but uncontrolled heat can cause damage. Because drying is not just about removing moisture, it's about fabric care. This is tumble dryer testing, conducted as per IEC 60335 2 4, and it answers one critical question: are your clothes dried safely and efficiently? In this test, we simulate real drying conditions. Now, we measure drying efficiency and temperature control. If drying is uncontrolled, there's overheating, fabric damage, or shrinkage risk. Because the key question is your dryer protecting or damaging clothes? If performance is unsafe, fail. Because in real usage, clothes vary, fabrics are sensitive, and heat must be controlled. This test ensures safe drying and fabric protection. This is not just testing, this is protection against hidden fabric damage. At Presto Laboratories, we don't just test drying, we ensure your clothes come out safe, not damaged.